Ever wondered how far you could push a glass of water before it tips over and spills? What if I told you, we're playing that risky game with our very own planet? Intrigued? Well, folks, you're in for a fiery ride in our story today. Let's start with a trip down memory lane to 2015. Remember the Paris Agreement? That was where almost 200 countries huddled together and pledged to keep global temperatures from rising more than 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. It was like a global pinky promise not to turn Mother Earth into a fiery inferno. Fast forward to today, and it seems like we're teetering on the edge of breaking that promise. The grown-up table of world politics, better known as the United Nations, has sounded the alarm. Their weather gurus, the World Meteorological Organization, or WMO, suggest we have a 66% chance of reaching the 1.5 C mark in the next 5 years. Now, you might be thinking, 1.5 C, that's like a barely warmer spring day, right? But let me assure you, in the grand scheme of global temperatures, it's more like we're playing with fire. Literally. Our planet has never seen a 1.5 C rise in temperature before. But here's the kicker. This rise isn't as simple as a mild sunburn. This kind of warming could trigger a domino effect of irreversible climate changes. Think crumbling ice sheets in Greenland and West Antarctica, heat waves that make a sauna seem like a winter retreat, and even extreme weather events. Just to make things a little spicier, our friend El Niño decided to join the party. And he's not bringing balloons and cake. Instead, he's partnering with human-induced climate change to push our global temperatures into "here be dragons" territory. For those not in the know, El Niño is a climate pattern that could mean more rain for South America, droughts for places like Australia and Indonesia, and shifts in temperature across the United States. And as if that weren't enough, it also contributes to heating up our atmosphere on a global scale. Talk about a party pooper. The WMO's latest report paints a pretty intense picture of our future. There's a 98% chance that one of the next 5 years will outperform 2016's heat record. That's a competition we don't want to win. However, this global warming concert isn't going to have an even distribution. Places like the Arctic could see temperatures rise 3 times as much as other regions. This could lead to disruptions in vital weather systems like the jet stream and the North Atlantic Current. It's like a DJ messing up the party's playlist. Meanwhile, rainfall is getting stage fright. Central America, Australia, Indonesia, and even the Amazon are all seeing a decrease in rainfall. This has a cascading effect, leading to issues like deforestation and loss of climate regulation in these regions. It's like losing your umbrella right when the storm hits. The report also points out a 32% chance that the 5-year average temperature will cross that critical 1.5 C mark. While this doesn't sound like a lot, it's a significant jump from practically zero just a few years ago. It's like we've started a global thermostat challenge, steadily turning up the heat, and it's getting to the point where we're all starting to sweat. If we don't pay attention, we might just boil over. But don't hit the panic button just yet. According to the WMO's Secretary General, we might occasionally cross the 1.5 C mark. But it doesn't mean we're permanently relocating there. The opportunity to turn things around is still on the table. The real question then, folks, is this. Are we ready to face the heat and step up our game to tackle this global warming tango? Or will we continue to dance with danger, risking our precious Earth? With that said, thanks for watching.